Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a bloom on this large six-sided canvas. It's my Glidden Premium. Got some pretty colors today. Greens and pinks. Very spring-like colors. Okay, so let's see which ones we got. I know there's an opaque one here somewhere. Okay, I got three. Oh, I know. I got this light pink. It's called Amsterdam Persian Rose. It's opaque. I'm going to put that down first. Give it a good shake. I haven't used this one in a while. Something in there. Okay, so that's the Persian Rose. And I've got some green. This one is a mixture of a few greens. Artist Loft Leaf Green and Arteza Mint. Another pink. This one is Pearl Peony Pink by Arteza. Excuse me. I have some Peridot Green by DecoArt. It's a metallic. So it's good to have a metallic in yours. I think it helps with the cells. If I like these colors together, I might do a swipe. Okay, I have some golds as PBO iridescent gold. This one's a bit thick. Sometimes the metallics thicken up quicker than the others. Just add a little water. And then I have Rose Shimmer by Folk Art. Now the last one is going to be Greenish Yellow by Amsterdam. Ooh, this is a bright, bright yellow, green. I'm going to use black cell activator. Give it a good stir before I do anything with it. There's a few bubbles. There we go. Ooh, wow. Ooh, that light green is really bright. I'll let the middle relax a bit. I used the world's smallest blower. I got it on Amazon a long time ago. I don't know if they still have it, but they should. Mini blower. World's smallest mini blower. Also, someone else sells them too on Etsy. You can look on Etsy. Okay. It's flowing nicely. I'm going to give it a little swirl. Let's give her a spin. It's going to get a lot of paint on here, I think. Sorry about the noise. My heater was going. So I'm in the basement. Something in here. Darn. Oh, yuck. It's okay. It's very pretty. Let's push it this way a little bit. Oh, I can't believe there's still something in here. Cells are really pretty. I do like the color mixture, so I think I'll do a swipe. Sorry about that, it's a little bit off. One more spin. Wow, it's very pretty. I'm going to let this dry and I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do new videos. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Ask a question. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. All my recipes are in the description under the video. And have a great day and thanks for watching. Hi everybody. Here's my dried canvas. Dried really well. Take you in for a close-up. Nothing moved. Those are pretty cells. Thanks for watching and have a good day.